So with the coleslaw, these are my sliced cabbage. And this is very simple, easy. I have spring onions, goes in as well. Canned cucumber, radish. I'll add in carrots, garlic powder, which is totally optional, sugar, black pepper, dried parsley leaf. Lastly, I'll add in salt and mix all those ingredients together before adding in the mayonnaise. So stir till well combined and make sure all your ingredients are dried. You do not want any form of water in this. Add in vinegar and then stir till well combined again. Taste if the salt is for your liking before adding in your mayonnaise. Go ahead and mix these ingredients together, and basically that's what we call coleslaw. It's very easy to make, and trust me, it's so delicious, guys. You will love it. Having this in your sandwich, guys, this will take you to heaven. It's yummy-cious and it's super delicious, guys. Wow, so guys, I'm done here. I hope you give this amazing recipe a try, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, follow my page. See you in my next video. Till then, love you all and stay blessed.